Can your phone make you physically sick? I know that sounds weird, but when you think that your phone has 25,127 bacteria per square inch living on your screen right now, well, that becomes a real possibility. Bearing in mind the average toilet seat carries out 1,207 odd bacteria per square inch, so pretty gross. We've all been watching as the coronavirus seems to be spreading from country to country with new cases reported every day, and that got me thinking, could our phones be making us sick? Well, here's what you need to know.
Break it down now, phone, gadget, apps, it's the techie guy.
Hey, welcome to another episode of Talking Tech with the Techie Guy. My name's Liron Segev, where I make tech simple. If you're into phones, gadget, apps, tips and tricks and how to, hit that subscribe button and let's get on to today's show. On February 12th, at a corona-related press event, Singapore's Minister of Health is quoted as saying, "Be aware of the things you commonly touch. The things most commonly touched is your phone." This is also confirmed on the CDC's website, which lists as a possible way that the virus is spreading is by touching a surface that has the virus on it and then touching things like your eyes, your nose, your ears, etc. So if someone is infected with even the regular cold and they sneeze somewhere near you, those microscopic droplets fly through the air and they could possibly land up on your phone. You touch your phone a bazillion times a day, you then go grab lunch and yeah. So essentially our phones becomes one portable petri dish which contains, well, who knows what. So it's time to clean your phone ASAP. And there are several ways to do it. Before we get into how to do it, well, let me tell you the ways you must not do. You should never use the following items: window cleaner, kitchen cleaner, paper towels, rubbing alcohol, makeup remover, compressed air, dish soap, hand soap, vinegar, or disinfectant wipes. These are really bad for your phone. You see, when you use these ingredients, it affects the protective coating that's on your phone that makes your phone oil repellent and water repellent, so do not use those items. So what should you use? Well, the most effective is apparently the UV smartphone sanitizer. Now these are available in multiple online retailers including Amazon. There'll be a link in the description to get one of those. They start at around $80. You can also use an alcohol spray solution. You can buy one from the shops or you can make one at home. All you need is a little plastic spray bottle. You need to get yourself some rubbing alcohol, and then what you do is you mix it in a ratio of about 60% water to 40% alcohol. Now don't spray this directly onto your phone. What you want to do is you want to spray this onto cotton wool or a microfiber cloth and then using that to clean your phone. Now the most important thing is don't forget the phone case. You see those little ridges where the phone case meets the actual phone itself? That is where bacteria likes to gather. Lots of gunk and who knows what else is in those corners. So make sure that you strip off your case, clean your case properly, clean your phone, and then hopefully stop taking your phone to the bathroom next time you go. Well, check out some of these other cool videos down here. Hit the head below to subscribe if you want real practical good advice. Give the video a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in that next video. Let's go.